What is up, guys? In today's video, we are going to be doing what I think is probably the best cosmetic mod you can do to your Challenger. I got it right here. This is the vinyl wrap that we're going to be doing, and it's basically, we're going to be wrapping all of this right here, or just putting on a vinyl over. We're going to take these Dodge badges off. I mean, most people, you see them a lot, people will just remove them, then you just got this kind of black blank space there that just kind of just doesn't look good in my opinion. And everyone knows, I mean, look at how badly scratched this is. I don't know if you guys can see it. Here, I'll pop the trunk. But if you just get up in there, you can see just like right there's like a big scratch. I don't know, this whole thing just filled with scratches. And basically we're going to be wrapping this whole thing. It's a satin black American flag, says Challenger. It looks really cool. I think it's going to look cool on the Challenger. Before we get started on that, just want to let you guys know, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I post everything there first. And also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Like the video, really helps out. A lot of Challenger truck content. I mean, look at this nice truck over there. It's not mine. But getting with the mod kit, this is what it comes with. Obviously, also it does recommend a heat gun, so I got a heat gun right here already. What it does come with, and comes in this little box right here. So you got your Luxe. This is a Luxe Auto Concept. I bought it. It was $57 with the D-badge kit. There you guys go. If you want to check them out, there's their website. But there's everything there. You get your vinyls, which is 3 layers. You get a little prep kit, squeegee, microfiber. There's your prep to clean it. This is to apply, because there is 2 wet installations, 1 dry installations. Then I bought this, was an extra $10. Still a D-badge kit, which comes with a clay bar, some solution, and I think it's like 2 pieces of wood with some like string, so you can like, you know, get the badges off. I don't know, I'm gonna try taking them off right now. If you guys are looking for a good like installation video of the wrap, I highly suggest just going to their website and checking out the video they have. It's very good. I'm gonna go watch it right after I take these badges off again, just to make sure. So just want to let you guys know, go to the website, watch the installation video if you're looking for something like that. It'll be much better than I can provide. Let's get started on this. I'm pretty excited. I went and took some before pictures, so we'll have some before and after pictures of it at the end of the video. And this will be pretty cool. I'm pretty hyped on this. I think it's going to really change up the look of the Challenger. It's going to really look good. Let's take these badges off. Also, one thing I just want to mention here, look how nasty it is between all these letters and everything. I mean, I'm just excited it'll actually be clean, because it always just gunk always builds up around these, and it'll just be nice to be nice and clean. There we go. They are all removed. A little bit sad, but also pretty happy. Look, the G came off perfectly, and you can just see all the crap that was built up around it. I mean, it's really disgusting. You guys take a look at it, but everything else left residue, so I'm gonna get all that off, spray some of the blue liquid that came with it. What do you guys think of this? Look at this, I just stuck these right up on there. I don't know, I don't think that really looks that good there, but I don't know, I'm gonna take these off. They're just barely holding on there, so look at that. Doesn't actually look that bad, but definitely taking that off. Now let's get this thing all cleaned up. All clean, all taken off, and to be honest, I'd say it looks pretty dang good. Like, I like it like this. It looks clean. Gets rid of some of that chrome, just looks good, but in my personal opinion, I just feel like it looks too blank. It just looks too empty right there. I just don't like how, I don't know, it just feels like there's something supposed to be there. So that's why I'm pretty excited to get the new decal on. Should be pretty cool. I'm gonna go watch the installation instructions, because that is the best way, but as you can see, I don't know if you guys can see in there, we got everything off. It looks really clean. I'm gonna go watch the video and then we'll get ready to install this. Got done watching the video. I've got the vinyls here all cut out, because it doesn't come cut. You gotta cut it, like, just follow the video on how to cut it. And so now I'm gonna use a little prep spray, clean this all up, and then I'm gonna start applying the first one, which is this layer right here, the flag layer, which goes on like that. So I'm gonna start applying this one. This one is a wet installation, so I'm gonna get everything on there. Once I get it on the car, then I'll get back to you guys, but let's get this on. Got it on right here. I'm currently squeegeeing it. I am gonna use the heat gun right here to get this all applied, get the water out, and then start taking this off. Okay, time to start peeling it off. I can tell it's lined up perfectly like this way, you know, side to side, but I can tell it's like slightly too high. It would be a little bit, it's kind of hard to see it, but if you look at it there, could have been slightly better, I guess, or maybe it's a little bit too low. I don't even know. But I'm gonna start peeling this off. I think I might do it off camera, because I don't want to, I don't know, we'll do a little bit right here. Like, oh, that looks pretty dang good. Don't want to, it's a little bit wet. gonna take it real easy, real slow. That piece up there stuck, that's good. There we go. It's all looking pretty good. Take this, they say, to just damp. Don't wanna mess it up. But there you go. Everything looks pretty good. I mean, the bottom here, it could have been moved down just a slight bit, but I mean, this lines up pretty perfect right here. So, I mean, it's not too bad. It's not perfect, but it could be slightly better. I mean, that by itself just looks pretty good if I were to just put the Challenger in. So, there it is. Now for the next step, which is the just one solid piece. That way this will like emboss, it'll look embossed. So, here we go. Just took the prep liquid and stuff, just cleaned this off, blotted it on, or dried it off like that. And so now we got the other piece. We're gonna put this on, just basically peel off the back. This is the dry installation, so you're just gonna line it all up, put it on. It's gonna overhang the top and the top and the bottom. It should be pretty easy. I'll do this and we'll be right back when I have this put on there. So I got it just tacked on there. See, it's basically fit, so now it's just okay, so we can't do much with the paper on, so we're gonna take that off, and then we're gonna do some more. Just wanna make sure, you know, the embossing goes through. This is how they said to do it, is just take this and basically just rip it like so. That way, it should just all come right off. Basically just wanna go in your fingers, see, look how that star just came right through there. See, like, look at these. Just wanna, like that, and look at that, perfect. That star. Just basically do this for all of it. I'm gonna get the rest of this paper off and make this start looking good. Basically making this all perfect, and you can see it just really starts showing through right after. Like, look at that. See how it's just doesn't show much, and then afterwards it's like really good. Like, this is a good example right here. If I can just get it right there, and then after doing it, it looks so good. I love it. Love how this looks. A little bubble right there. So I'm just gonna do a little bit more on this, and then also you want to take the squeegee and then just you want to roll these over, basically the top and the bottom, and get this all looking good. So there we go, you guys. See, everything's on there. Looks pretty dang good. I really like it. I mean, the only part I can tell that kind of messed up a little bit would probably be right here. I don't know how. There was a little bubble right there, and I tried putting some heat on it, didn't turn out too well. And then right here, just a tiny little spot right there. So that's pretty much it for all that. I mean, so far I think this looks pretty cool. I can't wait to get because it's like a gloss black Challenger that goes right here. So that is, where's that at? All we need to do now is just put this on, the Challenger, which goes right in there, and we'll be pretty much done. But trying to give you guys a little bit the look of it there. The light. I'll definitely go take it outside after I get this all done, show you guys what it looks like, but all we need to do is just get this on. It definitely, so far, just looking at it right now, I can definitely say it's the best mod you can do if you have a 2015 plus Dodge Challenger. It looks so good. Love it. So let's get this other piece on. Should just line up right in there, which, I mean, look at that. I mean, just, it lines up perfectly in there, and should be pretty easy. By the way, this is another wet installation, so I will be getting this all wet, putting it on, and then that's why you're able to move it around a little bit, and we'll be good from there. And there we go, got it all on. I just basically, got everything all wet, got it lined up with this right here, and this little bit right here. It was super easy, and I just did one, after I kind of used a squeegee a little bit to get it all out, I used the heat gun, just went once over on it a little bit, and as you can see the embossment, or you can see the Challenger, at least I can. I hope you guys can see it on video. And now I just want to make sure there's no extra. I'm just going to press on it. Don't want to see there's a little bit of moisture still coming out. And I'm just going to do this for a little bit and just get any last bit of moisture. And it shouldn't be too hard from here. Just got to peel it off. Everything looks good once over with the heat gun. Really liking this wrap so far. Got everything all good. And look at this, looks really nice. I like it. I really do like it. So now I think I'm ready. I'm gonna start peeling from this side. Oh no, it's taking up the, started to take the Challenger. I don't know if I wanna film and do this. I wanna make sure it's perfect. So, let's try this again. There we go, the Challenger's staying. Try to do this with you guys. Look at that. Oh, that looks perfect. You see it's it's still really wet. But everything looks good. I'm actually just gonna take the towel here and just kinda blot it a little bit, take some of that moisture away. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing right here. There we go. Looks super good. Stupid fly, get away. And last but not least, oh, it looks perfect. There we go. Here, let me just get this all. Just gonna apply some pressure to it, dry it up. Looks really good. There we go, you guys. I'm gonna get this outside and show you guys what it looks like outside because it's a little bit dark and there's weird lighting. Sorry for the wind in Arizona. It's like got a dirt storm going already. The whole back of the car is already all dusty. But there you guys go. There's what it looks like. I mean, try to get every little angle for you. Looks super nice. I love it. I mean, it couldn't be any better. I really do think it looks really good. I mean, can't wait to get the car clean, and again, sorry for the wind, get out of this wind and the dirt, but looks really good. Definitely think it looks nice. This is definitely an upgrade. I really do like it. I think if any of you guys out there have a 2015 plus Dodge Challenger, you've got to do this because it looks so much better than just debadging it. It looks way better than the chrome Dodge badges, the same boring old thing. So there you guys go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Follow me on Instagram at the O2 Cummins Ram. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit the like button down below. Really helps it out. Challenger's looking great. Really do love it. Love the exhaust. It's doing good. What do you guys think I should do next? I'm thinking tires. I'm thinking tires for the rear is definitely going to have to be the next thing to do there. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next video. I'd at least give you guys a pull.